Okay, we've cut our 3 neck pieces out. That's going to go in here. Those are going to get glued in here, so we're going to glue these together first. And we'll let them dry, then we can sand it down and we'll glue it inside the neck piece where it goes. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. But I'll glue this, I'll let it set all day to set up, and then tomorrow I'll come back and we'll get it put inside where it goes. Goes there. And it goes there. Okay, we'll let this set up and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.